Hey everyone, this is Anita and welcome to my channel. On this channel, we dive into world of P&C insurance, breaking down complex topics like home insurance, auto policy and everything in between. My goal is to make the subject simple, interesting and easy for everyone to understand. If that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming video. So let's get started. In my previous video, I covered what is P&C insurance is all about. Now I am going to share a simple example of P&C insurance with a personal auto policy. Imagine you are driving home after work and in just a split of second your car collides with another vehicle. The damage is huge and all you can think is how much is this going to cost me? This is when P&C insurance comes in to protect us. Let's bring this to life with a simple story about John and his personal auto policy. John is an ordinary car owner. To protect himself, he buys an auto insurance policy. Every month, he pays $120 to his insurance company. His policy includes liability coverage up to $1 lakh per accident if he causes damage to others, collision coverage, which helps repair his own car if it's damaged in an accident, but with a $500 deductible, comprehensive coverage, which covers things like theft, fire, or hell with a $250 deductible. In short, John is paying a small amount regularly so he doesn't face a massive financial hit if something goes wrong. One rainy evening, John is driving and unfortunately he rear ends another car. The other driver's car is badly damaged, costing $8,000 in repairs. John's own car has $4,000 worth of damage. So here is the important part. Without insurance, John would have to pay all $12,000 out of his pocket. That is a huge financial burden for most of us. But thankfully, John has P&C insurance. Let's see how this policy helps John. Liability coverage. John is responsible for the 8,000 damage to the other driver's car. His insurance company covers that entire amount since it's under his $1 lakh liability limit. Collision coverage. For John's own car, the repair costs are $4,000. His collision coverage applies, but remember, there is a $500 deductible. So John pays the first $500 himself and his insurance company pays the remaining $2,500. When we look at the big picture, instead of John paying $12,000, he only pays his $500 deductible plus the regular $120 monthly premium. This story shows the true purpose of property and casualty insurance. The property part protects John's own car. The casualty part protects him from financial responsibility when he causes damage to someone else. P&C insurance turns what could have been a financial disaster into a manageable situation. So next time you think of insurance, remember John's story. It's not just about paying premium, it's about protecting yourself, your family, and others from unexpected risks. Thank you for watching.